Yes sir, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. We're doing spark plugs on it. It's gonna be a quick one. Let's get to it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, as you can see we got 10mm bolts holding the coil packs in. Take those out. Now we can just pop these on up. Alright, we got our spark plugs, we can get to them. 5/8 ratchet, we got a long extension. Get the spark plugs. Alright, once you break them free, get you a magnet. If you don't have a little catcher on the rubber piece on the socket, get all those out. We got Denso spark plugs, so that's what we're gonna go back in with. Alright, our spark plugs, new ones, matching up. Same part number. So you want to put some anti-seize on your threads. Alright, once we get them back in, we can go ahead and put our coil packs in. And tighten them down. Alright, and that is it. You want to go ahead and get that check engine light, erase it if you got a scanner, and start it up. Make sure you don't have any more misfires going on. If you do, you may want to check your coil packs. So, still got a misfire. It's saying cylinder 1. So what I did was took these two, turned the vehicle off, and I swapped them. And now it's saying cylinder 2 when I do my read. Alright, so we got cylinder 2 now. So that's telling me that coil pack is gone bad. Just push back on that gray tab and push down. New coil pack, that's the part number right here. C50050DL. So we're just gonna put that in there. Number 1. Tighten it up. And that did the trick, man. As soon as I started it up, check engine light is gone. See, we got 54,000 miles on it. So we're gonna get it out the system. Should be gone. Alright, that's permanent, but once you get to riding it, it'll go away. That light then pop back on like normal. So That's a good sign, and it's idling good. No rough idle. And that's gonna be it, man. Alright, that coil pack did the trick. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, man. Pull up, King.